So draw the shear force and bending moment diagram of the cantilever beam with some uniformly distributed load only for, not for entire distance, only some distance. This is point A, this is point B. Okay, this is point C point. So first to find the shear force diagram. Okay, shear force diagram. So first to find the shear force of the particular beam. Okay, shear force. The shear force, to find the shear force of the beam. So this is from free end. Okay, so at the free end is the load is 2 kilonewton. So shear force at point B. Okay, shear force at point B is minus 2 kilonewton. Okay, so next shear force at point C is, shear force at point C is also, there is no load between P2, so also minus 2 kilonewton. So at the shear force at point A. Okay, shear force at point A. Okay, so minus 2 into 1.5. okay, so sorry, minus 2, force is minus 2, minus 1 into 1. okay, minus of 1 into 1. So load is 2 here. Also one uniform distributed load 1 kilonewton for distance is only 1 meter. So 1 into 1. Okay, so equal to minus 3 kilonewton. Okay, this is the shear force diagram, cantilever beam force. So next to draw the shear force diagram of the particular beam. So shear force diagram. So first to draw one straight line, horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line at point B. Okay, at point B shear force is minus 2. Okay, at point B shear force is minus 2. So 2. Okay, at point C. Okay, at point C shear force is also 2. Okay, so draw the horizontal one. Okay, this point C also 2. Okay, so next to draw the shear force at point A is minus 3 kilonewton. So minus 3 kilonewton acting also the minus 3 kilonewton. So downwards also. So here, so this is the minus 3. Okay, this is 3 kilonewton. Distance is 3 kilonewton. So connect these 2 points. Okay, C, B and A point. Okay, this is 3 kilonewton. This is the negative. Okay, this is the shear force diagram of the cantilever beam. Next to find the bending moment. Okay, bending moment of the particular beam. Okay, so bending moment of the particular beam is bending moment. Okay, so bending moment at point B. Okay, bending moment at point B is 0. That is, so at point AB. So next bending moment at point C. So bending moment at point C is, so force is 2. Okay, downward force is 2. So minus 2 into perpendicular distance. Okay, this is at bending moment at point C. So this is 2 into distance, perpendicular distance is 0.5. Okay, this is equal to minus 1 kilonewton meter. Next, bending moment at point A. Bending moment at point A. So point A here. So this is 2 loads. Only one point load, one uniformly distributed load. Minus 2. Okay, minus 2 into 1.5. Okay, minus. Okay, next. Okay, minus. This is uniformly distributed load. So uniform distributed load is 1 into 1. Okay, 1 into 1. So perpendicular distance is 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is the total distance is 1. So 1 into 1. So this is converted to point load. So distance is half of the, say 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. So bending moment at A is equal to, so minus 2 into 1.5, okay, minus 3, 1 into 1 into 1.2, so minus 0.5, so equal to 3.5 kilonewton meter. So it's the bending moment at point A. Okay, this is the bending moment at point A value, bending moment at C, bending moment at point B. Okay, so next to draw the bending moment diagram. Okay, so at point B, okay, point B bending moment is 0. So one horizontal line at point B is 0. At point bending moment at point C is minus 1. Okay, this is the minus 1. So this is 1. So at bending moment at point A is minus 3.5. So here minus 3.5. So here. So is the straight line. Okay, this is the some curvature. Okay, so uniformly distributed some curvature. Draw like some curvature. This is negative. This is a bending moment diagram for this particular beam. Okay, this is the shear force diagram and bending moment diagram of the particular beam. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.